How to set a reminder on your YouTube application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily set a reminder on your YouTube application. So first thing, just head over to your YouTube, and if you use YouTube for a prolonged period of time, so here's what you need to do for your YouTube to remind yourself of how much time you want to spend. So once you're inside your YouTube application, make sure you are signed into your account, and now simply select your profile channel, and once you're inside here, you can simply select the settings gear icon at the top right corner. So once you select it, hit on general option, and as you can see, there is option remind me when it's bedtime or remind me to take a break. So you can enable any one of these options. So if you want for the bedtime, you can simply enable this option and set when your bedtime starts and when your bedtime ends, and you can simply click on OK. And if you want to enable to take a break as a reminder, and you can simply enable this and customize, or you can also change your break reminder every 1 hour or 45 minutes, 30 minutes. And if you prefer customizing, you can also prefer just like this. Let's say I want a reminder to come in at like 2 hours, so simply click on done, and it will remind me every 2 hours of my YouTube usage. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.